Old Mill Brick Panel Plus system is designed to be installed adhesively over the Old Mill Brick liquid weather barrier. This option allows for optimal moisture drainage and long-term performance. To install Brick Panel Plus panels adhesively, you'll need your foam panels, Old Mill Brick thin set adhesive, a grout bag, trowel, a level, and a box cutter or other sharp knife. Start on the bottom left corner of your project. For your bottom row of panels, cut the bottom edge so that you have a row of complete brick. You can easily cut a straight line in the panel using a box cutter or razor knife along the top of the last convex groove on the panel. Apply your adhesive to the back of your 4x4 panel. Attach your panel by pressing on it firmly. Use a 4-foot level to ensure your panel is straight. Apply the adhesive for your next panel. Use your level and line it up next to the first. Continue along the bottom edge, making cuts as needed to finish the row. Once your full bottom row of panels is secured, you can start working your way up. Stagger each row so that your joints are in the middle of the previous row's panels. Use the groove at the bottom of each panel to lock the next row onto the top of the previous row. Continue to follow this pattern, making cuts to the panels as needed until your wall is covered. When all of your panels are installed, use a foam shaping rasp to even out the joints if there are any that aren't flush. To learn how to install your brick and for more information, visit oldmillbrick.com/install.